respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Sheikh Ali Rahim, student of class 2nd D, and today we are celebrating 79th Independence Day, the day when our country, India, became free from British rule. We remember some brave heroes who played an important role making India free. Today, I want to talk about some brave Muslim leaders who gave their life for our country, India. One of the most famous leaders, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, was a freedom fighter, a great thinker, and the first education minister of India. He believed on unity and worked hard to bring all Indians together. Another brave hero, Ashfaqullah Khan, he was just 27-year-old when he gave his life for our country, India. He worked with other revolutionaries like Ram Prasad Bismil and wanted India to be free at any cost. Women also fought to play this role equally. We remember Begum Hazrat Meher was a brave queen who fought the British during the First War of Independence in 1857. She was a powerful leader who inspired many to stand up and fight for freedom. There are many others too. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, also called Frontier Gandhi, who followed the path of peace and non-violence like Mahatma Gandhi. These Muslim heroes, along with many Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Muslims, fought together for the freedom of India. They showed us unity in diversity is our greatest strength. Let's promise for their sacrifices make India a better, peaceful, united country. I want to end my speech with this beautiful शेर. मिलेगी मंजिल मकसूद हमको, हम ये ईमान रखते हैं. मिलेगी मंजिल मकसूद हमको, हम ये ईमान रखते हैं. अपनी रहनुमाई के लिए हम कुरान रखते हैं. वफादारी वतन से हो, यही कुरान कहता है. हम अपने दिल के हर गोशे में हिंदुस्तान रखते हैं. हम अपने दिल के हर गोशे में हिंदुस्तान रखते हैं. थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.